Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Will. This is the Wimmy YouTube channel. In today's video, like the title says, I'm going to be taking my 2021 Ram TRX over to Carmax to get an appraisal. I've been toying with the idea of possibly selling it, picking up another, I guess, quote unquote daily driver for the family. But I really do love this truck, and for me to get rid of it, they're gonna have to give me some good money for it. So we'll see. I have about 15,000 miles on the truck. I've had it for almost 2 years. It's pretty much flawless. There's a few light mods to it, but it's never really been off-roaded or anything like that. So it's kind of been a pavement princess for as long as I've owned it. I've really babied it. I've really maintained it, really took care of it. So I know Carmax isn't going to, they're not going to give me more money because I tell them I took care of it, but let's see how much of a lowball, because I really do think they're going to try and lowball the hell out of me. I want to see how much they really do lowball it. So let's go ahead, drive it on over to Carmax and get it checked out. So Carmax does always say that if your vehicle is modified, they don't give you as much money for it. My vehicle is slightly modified. I do have the method wheels on there. I have rock lights, ring lights, some lights in the grill. I have a I guess they mid muffler delete where they were replaced with some carve-in R-type mufflers. And then I also do have a B Woody intake as well. I have videos for all of that on the channel, so you could go ahead and check out all those stuffs if you like watching, you know, build videos, stuff like that. But yeah, just take that into account, that Carmax does always deduct a good amount of money for vehicle modifications. I am going to tell them that I can fully revert it back to stock as well, but just wanted to disclose that as well. All right, let's get a nice cold start going. I will say, if I do end up selling this truck, which honestly still sounds kind of crazy to me, I'm definitely going to miss like all the theatrics, I guess you would want to say, that the TRX brings to the table, like in regards to the sound from the exhaust, the supercharger, just like the road presence, especially like with a B Woody intake on it now. Like, listen to this supercharger whine. It sounds evil. So yeah, kind of crazy that I'm even, you know, contemplating possibly getting rid of this truck. It's been my absolute dream truck. I love it, but you know, yeah, let's just see, you know, what happens. If it makes sense to get rid of it and still walk away on top financially, it just kind of makes sense. So let's go ahead and get over to Carmax and see what the outcome's going to be. This is one thing I will not miss about the TRX, the horrible fuel economy. But yeah, that's legit the one downside of this truck. Everything else, absolutely amazing. Alrighty guys, here we are, Carmax. So let's go see how much they're going to give us for the TRX. Last time I came to Carmax, I brought my C7 and I actually did end up selling it. So I highly doubt that's going to happen today, because I do have way more of an attachment to this vehicle than I did my C7. But yeah, let's go and see what happens. Alright, we're just kind of touring the lot now, waiting while they get their appraisal done. They went and checked out the vehicle, but with the TRX, you have to actually take a bunch of pictures, submit it, and then it has to be sent off to get approved, because I guess it's quote unquote a specialty vehicle. I guess they were saying, you know, in high demand, you know, they're selling for over stickers, so they're like, yeah, we need to send it out. So let's see what they have to offer. But I did notice over here they do have a Bronco Black Diamond. It's pretty base. You can see it has like the Steelies on there. On the inside it has the cloth interior right there. I don't know if you can see that, but it has the manual transmission. So since it's the manual transmission, it means it's the 2.3 liter engine. Also has the soft top on there, and they are asking basically $56,000 for that one. So that just kind of goes to show how overpriced some of these cars are right now, because that's wild track territory. But yeah, let's go ahead and just keep walking, see what else they got. I do really like this BMW X5M. Yeah, that thing is sweet. Let's go. I'll bring you guys around over here just to check it out. But yeah, this is a sweet pickup. Oh, sorry, X6M. Oh yeah, that's a bad boy right there. Let's see how much they're asking for this one. 60 grand. It's a 2017, so it's a little bit older than I thought it was, but looks to be in pretty good shape. Sweet. That's not too bad. It's pretty awesome. So we're all done. We got our appraisal right here. I'm gonna wait until I get back to the garage, and I'll pull this out and give you a quick rundown of everything and see what our offer is for the 2021 Ram TRX. All right, so we're back at the house now. I got my appraisal here from Carmax for the TRX, and like I mentioned, they said the same thing to me with, you know, slight modifications on there. It does affect the vehicle's value. So what they did was they appraised it as just like a stock vehicle. So I told them that, you know, I would replace everything back with the OE parts before I traded it in. And here we go. This is my offer right here. So as you can see, we're at $65,000 for my TRX. And you can see everything up here. It's all legit. I got 15,000 miles on it. So yeah, 65,000. Everything is coming back as good condition. I do have that small fender bender on the Carfax, so I guess that is taking a little bit of an effect on there as well. But 65, in my opinion, is still pretty low considering the current market for TRXs. I do get Carmax as a business. They're going to try and you know, make money themselves, but I think if I was to private party sell it, I totally think I could get like 70 to 75, I personally think, you know, as is, because I do have, you know, quite a few mods on here. Not, you know, anything substantial, but definitely a few $1,000s worth of stuff, and it's typically stuff that people, when you buy a TRX, would want to do anyway. So yeah, for 65,000, I think I'm going to hold on to the TRX. And again, this is the base model. As you can see, it's got the base model interior, but all the important stuff you still get. You still get the 12-inch Uconnect screen. Still get, you know, the Bilsteins. This is suspension, and obviously the most important part, you still get the 6.2. So even since it's a base model, yeah, I paid, I think, 72,000 for it. I think now the base models have jumped up to like 80 grand. So you're not getting the TRX for, you know, less than 80,000 MSRP. So, I mean, some dealerships might be doing, you know, certain specials, but I haven't seen too many of those. So I think for 65,000, I'm going to go ahead and hold on to the TRX. So I think the next choice would be, let's go take the Bronco over there and see what they offer me for this thing. Now, I'm not trying to get rid of either one of these. It was just, again, I just wanted to see where I'm currently at if I did want to sell it and then move into like a more luxury vehicle. I was kind of cross-shopping a Maserati, so if I were to get rid of the TRX, I could easily get into one of those things. But again, I absolutely love this truck, so it's going to be really hard, and it's going to take a lot for me to get rid of it because it's my favorite vehicle. It's an absolute beast, and it's, in my opinion, the best truck you can get right now, and it's my dream truck. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Quick video. Just wanted to go ahead and show you exactly what Carmax would give me for my personal TRX. If you have a TRX out there, you can probably gauge how much they would probably offer you as well. In my opinion, private party sell it. There's a bunch of people paying cash for these things on the Facebook groups. So if you're trying to sell your TRX, I would probably start there before going to Carmax. But my name's Will. This is the Wimmy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.